Hey y'all, this old Paw here. I'm going to give y'all a quick repair video. If you've got an old Whirlpool washing machine like we do, sooner or later this top part of this agitator is going to wear out and it won't grab no more, and that the clothes won't get washed like they're supposed to be. Anyway, it's an easy repair and I'm fixing to show y'all how to do it. The first thing you need to do is remove the top and then get the little guard out right there. And then you're going to take yourself, and I think this is either 11mm or 7/16 one, and unscrew it like that, and then the agitator should come on out. 80040 washer agitator dog. Comes a set of 4. Pretty easy replace. You have to yank it apart. Once you flip it upside down, this is what you're going to get. Agitator bolt, and here is the doggies, and you remove the doggies like this, or just flip it over, and the little faces of them are all worn down. So what we want to did, and you just stick one there, one here, one right here, one right here, like that, and put, see, it's got a couple of slots in there, one there and one there. They go right there. And hold it like that. And then flip this upside down. Like that, and then flip it over. Now, see that? It all went together. When you're pushing down on this, don't let it come apart on you. Let it hit the splines. Oh, there it went. See there? So, once you get the bolt tightened, you see the agitator will turn? Just give it a little snug up like that. Now, see, it grabs now. See how that grabs? So we can go ahead on and put the little dust cover back in, and snap that back on. And see, that helps circulate the clothes. See, the top part grabs on those dogs, and that pushes them in a circular motion like this. The bottom part's going like this, and what this is doing is it's making them go around and around and up and down. So you can't even hold it with your hand now. Before I could just sit there and hold it with my hand, it wouldn't do anything. With that working correctly now, the clothes will get washed more efficiently. So the part wasn't very much. I charge about $5. You get the agitator off, bring it over here. I've got some of them.